Keywords is a way to be able to put any keyword that someone would search for in your business. You can do, plumber near me, fix water leak. You can do, I bake cakes. You could do any kind of search term someone would search for. And with simplybefound.com, you get unlimited keywords. It's just important to put the ones at the very top of the list that you want to rank highest for, and then start to work your way down to the least important keywords. But this is for you to be able to put your customer's hat on and go, what are they going to type in a search? What are they going to say on a voice search for me to come up? What keywords should I be able to target? And if you don't know what keywords you should be targeting, contact your marketing coach, and we'll be more than happy to give you a list of keywords that we think you should be targeting for, which is going to give you that starting point. And that's the whole point of our marketing coaching staff, is to be able to help give you those starting points to be able to make everything your own. We understand everything can be really super complicated when it comes to voice search, when it comes to local search, and how to get in the search engines and how to make everything connected. And we want to be, keywords is a big tool that we use whenever you reach out to us. We want to know exactly what keywords you're looking to be able to target, so that way we're on the same page. We use this data that's a huge data point for your business to be found on all these different networks, especially inside of any kind of search that someone's doing. It doesn't matter if they type it, if they say it, if they're using that voice search piece, if they're using the AI search. You got to be able to tell these algorithms, and you got to tell the search engines what it is you do. So this is a great way to be able to put all of your keywords that you're looking to be able to target. That way, everybody knows, and our system knows what you're looking to be able to rank for and how you want to be able to move up inside of maps, voice search, and beyond, and really kind of just how you want to be able to grow your business. So keywords is a great way to be able to do that. My name's Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at simplybefound.com. Thank you for watching.